Hello guys, today we'll be diagnosing this Toyota V8 and it has a brake light problem. So I'll be connecting my diagnostic tool Xtool D8W. That's the Xtool D8W, the wireless version, and then that's the wireless VCI connected over there, as you can see. And so back to the, let me position the diagnostic tool well. Now so let's begin our diagnosis since the VCI is already connected, and let's find out what the problem is with the brake light, and then let's resolve the issue as quickly as possible. So let's move on to the diagnosis as usual, and then this is a Toyota V8, so we go for Toyota, then go for Japan, and let's do an automatic detection. All right, this is a V8, so we move on to select V8, and then this is a 2011 model, so we're going to select 2010 to 2012. Yeah, and this car is without a smart key, so we'll go for without smart key. All right, these are some basic informations about the car: the vehicle type and then the engine type. All right, let's move on. Okay, we have automatic scan, and then we have system selection, ADAS calibration, and then ECU configuration. All right, at the moment we are just looking at a basic problem, so we go for the automatic scan just to for the. All right, that's our beautiful topology map right there. This is what I really like about Xtool, and the scanning is so fast. All right, that's it. So all right, let's look at, all right, diagnose. Now let's read code now. Read DTC. Okay, the current code we have right now is P0403. That's exhaust gas recirculation circuit, EGR. Okay, and then we have the P0504 code, which is the coloration of brake switch A/B. Both codes are current codes, and then we have another EGR code which is pending, and then we have history code as well, which is so this basically means that there has been the EGR code, circuit code, has previously been detected, so it's the system will definitely recognize it as a history code. And then coloration of brake switch A/B is the same thing as well. So basically it has been detected previously, so it's definitely going to show us a history code. All right, let's move on to the current code. So this is our main focus for this video right now, and then we are going to look at the brake switch right now, and then I'll do another video on the exhaust gas recirculation circuit, whether we'll check the EGR system, whether the problem is from the EGR valve or the circuit or whatever be the problem. We'll resolve that one, and then I'll post a video on it later. So now let's look at the the coloration of brake switch A and B, and then we'll wrap up this video. All right, stay tuned. Let me pause the video for now and then get under there and show you where the switch is located, and we will take it off and see how we can resolve the issue. All right, as we can see, this is the brake switch right here. So let's disconnect the switch first, the connector first, and then we continue to remove the brake switch itself. All right, okay, there we go. The connector is off at the moment, and then now removing this brake switch can be a bit tricky. So what the simplest way is just by turning this in an anti-clockwise direction, and then it comes off by itself. So let me do that again by locking it up. This way it's locked, and then you press it a bit and then turn it in an anti-clockwise direction, and then you pull it out. Okay, that's our brake switch. All right, actually I've already serviced this before deciding to do this video. I've already opened it up. The spring is a bit loose, so I've actually stretched it to extend its height to have the spring tension a bit more high. All right, but I'll take this opportunity in showing whoever would like to work on this. I'll use this opportunity to open it once again, even though I've already done some work. I've already serviced it, but I'll use this opportunity to open it again, and then let's see how I can get to teach my fellow DIYs how to service their own brake switch. All right guys, now let's get to work and then get a brake switch fixed. Okay, you need 2 flat screwdrivers just to open up this locker right here. You need to lift it up a bit, but be careful with it so you don't get it broken. All right, so we'll put one at this end. Oh, sorry. All right, then you hold on to that, then you put this at the other end, then you pull out. Okay. All right, there we go. Now it comes off, so that's it. So as I've said previously, I have already opened this and then stretched the spring. So it's already stretched, so you just stretch it up a bit. All right. Okay, so the next thing to do is I've also cleaned this as well. There were some grease, dirty grease particles all over, and then that needed to be cleaned off, and then I did that. So that's how come it looks clean. Yeah. So I'm going to fix this back. So the most important thing is in servicing this, you just have to stretch the spring a little bit. You just have to stretch the spring a little bit. Yeah, stretch it, and then you are good to go. And then you clean the inside as well with what do we call it, a carburetor choke spray. Probably spray inside well, and then blow it with air to keep it dry as well. Okay, let's put it back together. So first of all, we'll put our spring back inside, and then be careful when taking it apart. Some of these metal plates can come off, and you have to be really careful it doesn't spring off and gets missing. When it happens that way, you would have to get a new brake switch, which might cost you a couple of money. All right. Okay, so there we go. Here we go. So we'll fix this back again. As you can take note, you realize the spring would have to go in here. Yeah, so that's exactly what we are going to do. Okay, yeah, that's it. So that's it. All right. So let's put this cover back on it. All right, now you hold it down. You bring this. Okay, and then you carefully, you just have to carefully position this. All right. Okay, there we go. So okay. All right. Okay, previously when I removed it, the spring was really soft, so I needed to extend it a bit to in order to increase the tension in the spring. So now the spring is very firm. All right, so let's fix it back. Okay, so let's fix this back. All right, so that's it. It's firm. Okay. All right. So we're gonna clear the code from the diagnostic machine and then rescan to see if everything is okay. Okay, so we are back again. All right, so we are back again, and then let's do our post scan. All right. This is how powerful Xtool D8W is. All right, we have one DTC code with the air conditioning system, and I checked and I noticed the AC gas there is a leakage in the AC system, so the gas is out. That's fair enough. We would have to check it and then do fix the leakage and then refill the refrigerant gas. Okay, so that's it. There is no code, no DTC. Okay. All right, I'll do further videos talking more about the Xtool device I'm using at the moment. I've been using it for a couple of months now. I haven't done a review on it. I haven't checked. I haven't done any video with regards to the device I'm using, but I prefer using it, getting to know how well the device is going to perform, and then bring you the feedback. Yeah, doing a general review of a new product doesn't really tell much about the product, but at the end of the day, using it, the experiences is what is the feedback needed to give back to those who are interested in purchasing the same device. So that's it. This is the box right here. It looks fairly new with the wireless VCI down there connected. So that's it. Has a Type-C charger and then a charger head as well. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel. I ask for your support, and we will learn together from each other and become better in getting our vehicles fixed. Thank you very much.